Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is May 7th, 2025, and we're diving into Teva's Q1 2025 earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, Teva has reported its ninth consecutive quarter of growth. Can you give us a brief overview of their performance this quarter?
Thank you for having me. Indeed, Teva has shown impressive growth with Q1 2025 revenues reaching $3.9 billion, marking a 5% increase in local currency terms compared to Q1 2024. Their key innovative medicines, such as Austedo and Ajovy, have been significant contributors, growing approximately 40% year over year. This quarter also saw a non-GAAP EPS of 52 cents, surpassing the forecasted 47.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's delve into the financials. Teva reported a revenue of $3.9 billion for Q1 2025. How does this compare to their previous performance, and what are the key drivers behind this growth?
Teva's revenue growth of 5% in local currency terms is quite robust, especially considering the $100 million negative impact from foreign exchange. The growth is primarily driven by their innovative medicines, with Austedo and Ajovy showing strong performance. Additionally, their generics business has seen growth across all regions, contributing to the overall revenue increase.
And what about their profitability metrics?
Teva's operating income for the quarter was $519 million, a significant improvement from an operating loss in the same quarter last year. Their net income reached $214 million, translating to a GAAP EPS of 19 cents and a non-GAAP EPS of 52 cents, which is an 8% increase year over year. This indicates strong operational efficiency and cost management.
Innovative medicines and strategic initiatives. Teva's innovative medicines seem to be a major growth driver. Can you elaborate on their performance and strategic initiatives?
Absolutely. Austedo generated $411 million revenue, marking a 39% increase, while Ajovy brought in $139 million, up 26%. Uzedy also showed strong momentum with $39 million in revenue. These products are central to Teva's pivot to growth strategy, which aims to achieve a 30% operating margin by 2027. The company is focusing on expanding its innovative portfolio and optimizing its operations to sustain this growth trajectory.
What strategic initiatives are they implementing to support this growth?
Teva is accelerating its innovation pipeline with key developments in their anti-TL1A program and olanzapine LAI FDA submission expected later this year. They're also streamlining their operations and focusing on high-value activities, which includes divesting non-core assets like their API business.
Financial outlook and market position. Looking ahead, what is Teva's financial outlook for the rest of 2025, and how are they positioned in the market?
Teva has revised its 2025 revenue outlook to $16.8 to $17.2 billion, with non-GAAP operating income projected between $4.3 and $4.6 billion. They expect to generate free cash flow of $1.6 to $1.9 billion. Importantly, they've made significant progress in reducing their debt, repaying $1.4 billion of senior notes, which strengthens their financial position.
How does this position them in the competitive pharmaceutical market?
Teva's focus on innovative medicines and strategic cost management positions them well against competitors. Their commitment to transforming into a modern biopharmaceutical company is evident in their strategic initiatives and financial discipline. This, coupled with their strong product pipeline, should help them maintain a competitive edge.
Key takeaways. In summary, Teva has delivered a strong start to 2025 with impressive growth in both revenue and profitability. Their strategic focus on innovative medicines and operational efficiencies is clearly paying off. John, any final thoughts on Teva's investment prospects?
Teva's consistent growth and strategic initiatives make it an attractive investment, especially with their focus on innovation and debt reduction. Investors should keep an eye on their progress in the pivot to growth strategy and upcoming product launches.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Teva's performance in the comments below.